Hold on.
So it's going green.
Yes. Okay. And that's all. Three little bang pans are what are gonna set this puppies. It's one of the steps to set this puppies up for success, along with their new potty area. It's exciting. They're starting to move more around, and that's why we added this division. So essentially, they don't have this whole area that it's not prepared yet, or else they'll be potting here and here and here and then sleeping here. So you want to give them just one small area where they can go potty. When we do open this, we're gonna have 2 of those trays to make it a larger potty area, and I'll show you that when that time comes. But that's how it is. Mom's over here. She comes and chills in her crate. Her crate's open most of the time, unless we're not home, unless we have to go to the store. Just because if the puppies start crying, she'll come over here and try to jump over. And because this is not secure, it just has a piece of cardboard where it's standing, she'll be able to drop that little panel and she can crush the puppies. So we don't want that. So she comes in and out of her crate. Her feeding area, water areas set over here, and she goes back and forth. If I'm here, the whelping box is open and she can come in and out as she pleases, but not when we're not here. I'm gonna let that up and see how the puppies do and see how she does too. And if we need to rearrange anything, then we'll come back and do another video showing you the new setup. But that's what's going on right now. Again, puppies are 18 days old. So today, tomorrow, and the next day, we're doing nothing but the loud noise introduction. And then at the end of the week, I'll probably start introducing mush. We have to see. We're just waiting on the teat to erupt, and then we'll start introducing mush. We're getting so big, 18 days old. Okay, so puppies are 19 days old today. We introduced them to the potty box area, and they are using it. You can see a little stain right there. They walk up there and they go potty. There's another stain over there too, where they actually try to use that. So that's a lot of progress within 1 day of them having their little box potty area in place. So Ian's doing the loud noise. He's gonna bang on that bowl 3 times, and we're just gonna get to see the reaction. Okay. Thank you, Ian. And they just finished eating, but I think they're hot. Did somebody just go potty?
Yeah.
Okay, can you clean that up? Hey guys, so puppies are 20 days old. We just did their 3 weeks old pictures, which they're turning 3 weeks old tomorrow. but we figure since there's nothing on our schedule other than the loud noise exposure, and today's actually the last day of the loud noise exposure, we figure let's start with the pictures. Let's get started. We did all the individual pictures, so I'm gonna edit that today, and then we'll attempt to get the group picture today. At a later time, they're already exhausted, it's hot, they want to sleep, so we just put them back in the whopping box, and we'll try to get the group picture either later today or tomorrow since we have a little extra time. But oh, one more thing, we just discovered that the puppy's teeth are erupting. I think all of them have their bottom canines coming in or coming out, which that explains why Hazel's not letting him eat a lot like she used to. So that means that we're gonna have to push mush into the schedule. Maybe this weekend we'll start with that. Yeah, so that's exciting. But let me turn the camera and show you the puppies. Okay, so here's Ian with the puppies. We have the potty area, which they have been using it. I changed the pad. I took out the pad completely. There was pee on the pad, which is exciting to see. I know nobody else gets excited about seeing puppy pee, but I do because it was on the tray, and that lets me know that they are using the tray, so they are learning how to use the tray. We also found some poop stains in there, so it's perfect. As long as they're using the tray. Of course, we also did found some poop stains on the blanket. We went ahead and changed that, but it's totally okay. It's normal. Puppies are not even 3 weeks old, and I'm so proud of them because they're already using their potty tray. So Ian, you want to show us, you want to do the honors on the last day of loud noise exposure?
I've done it the other days, of course.
No reaction at all, so that's good. And that's all we have for today.